before I start the apartment tour, I wanted to give you a little bit of background about the apartment, about how we found it, how much it cost to rent, and things like that. So I found this apartment on Changzhou. I had been looking for 2 or 3 days before I came back to China, and we had a whole list of properties to go and see. We were looking in 2 different districts. I think we had about 8 or 10 properties that we had narrowed it down to, and on the day we actually went to see a lot more because one of the agents took us to like 6 or 7 apartments all within the same area. So this apartment was really bottom of the list. It wasn't one that I was especially excited to go and see, but we had seen one that was in the area. It was really close by, about 2 or 3 minutes away. We were like, what the hell, let's go and see this one as well. We got here and I just fell in love. It was so light and bright and spacious compared to all the others that we had seen. It was like a no-brainer. We still went to see loads more apartments after this one, but this one was the one. And how we started renting it. So my husband is Chinese, so he is able to rent this apartment for us. And my name is also on the lease. It was very, very simple and easy for me to be able to rent this apartment. If I didn't have him, I would not be able to, because most properties on Anjuka don't rent to foreigners, and that is just the way it is, especially in this city, in Shanghai. It's really difficult to find a property that rents to foreigners on Anjuka. This property cost 2,000 renminbi per month. That is £225 a month, and I pay half of that. I split the rent 50-50 with my husband. He has paid the first 3 months rent, and I'll pay the next 3 months, about £675 all at once. Yeah. Okay, let's get on with the apartment tour. I live on the 19th floor of this building, and it's in a really nice community in the city of Changzhou, Jiangsu province. I forgot to mention it's 2 bedrooms, fully furnished, and it's 89 square meters big. Welcome to my apartment. When you come in, there's a shoe closet with some slippers. I decorated this trellis with some fake leaves, so it looks really nice and green and homey. This is the kitchen. It's pretty small, but that's typical for Chinese apartments. This is the dining area. We have all our plates and glasses and stuff stored in this huge cupboard. Yeah, we have a dining table. Our fridge is in the dining area, not in the kitchen because it's too small. We have a humongous couch. It seats like 8 to 10 people, honestly. It's amazing. I love it. This is the balcony. We have like storage cupboards here, and the washing machine is out here as well. These windows are filthy. Please don't come for me. I'm gonna clean them at some point. I have this little chair that like snaps up and snaps down. It's really cute. Sometimes I sit up there and read because the balcony gets a lot of sunlight. So this is the second bedroom. It's quite small, but it has a double bed, has these huge closets, cupboards here as well. So we've got a lot of storage space, which is really great. This is the bathroom. We've just got a shower, toilet, sink, very basic. It already came with all these like storage boxes and little cubbies on the walls. This is our master bedroom. I love it so much. Look at that huge bay window. We've got the huge cupboards as well, and look at this curtain. It's so dramatic. I love it. And that's it. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.